Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back. This is Fahid and the 3D model. This is Fahid, the 3D model. So in this video, we're going to make the second type of monster, part 2. First of all, we add the body and making the cube a little smoother by subdivision level 2 and near this to this x-axis. And now set them, tweak the edges and vertices from side view as well. Move them a little bit forward and move them a little bit back for a better body shape. Now we need to make the arms. To make the arms, add a cube and delete the top bottom faces. Now move them and set them as the face as it looks good. Now fill this face right here, add one looper right there and scale them just like this. Now move them and place them correctly according to where it looks. Now we have to subdivide it, or we can add looper right there just like this and extrude by bevel it and extrude it to make the elbow part and scale it, and now increase it to keep it tight just like this. Now our body is a lot better. Now we need to duplicate this face right here and extrude the legs out and scale them and fill them and move them a little bit up just like this. Increase to keep it look good and to keep it better just like that. Now scale them on the Y as well. Now extrude it down and make the feet like this there. Now increase this area right here to give it some feet shape. Now move them and increase a little bit. Now add looper right there and add bevel just like here. And now take this face and extrude it outwards. Now add one looper right here. You can add bevel to it. Scale them a little bit on the Y and move them a little bit forward. Now everything except our head is finished and everything is looking much better. Now decrease the number of subdivision and add a cube and scale them and make them as head just like that. Now make the head shape by looking from all axes and moving them, arranging them and set them. Makes our object look more better. Now move the head a little bit to the bottom just like that. Now we have to extrude the fingers. Duplicate this face right here and fill this just like there and move them a little bit inward and scale them inward like that. Now our one finger is complete just like this. Tweak some edges right there and move them, place them correctly like this. Now duplicate this one right here and now place them and scale them a little bit bigger than the thumb. Now only 3 fingers this character needs. Now increase these areas and we can extrude another part, but first we need to make it a little bit closer. Not much long fingers we need. Just like this, our fingers are complete and place them correctly according to the hand. Move them some inwards like this. Now our fingers are complete. Now we need to add details to the head, just like we need to make a mouth and we need to make the eye just like that. Now apply all the modifiers and add both subdivision and mirror modifier again like this. And now we place some edges and vertices like this. Now increase some area, move the head a little bit on the top. Now increase some areas like this just like this. And now we need to extrude this part a little bit just like that. Okay, Now select some blue and now select the edges where we want our hard sharp edges will be. Okay, now open proportional editing, turn on proportional editing and move some vertices forward to give it a little bit mouth shape, just like that. Move them, tweak some edges right there and place them correctly where they look good. Just like this, it looks better to me. Here them a little bit on the edge. Now we need to color the whole character. Color the same color we did to the first character. Just like this. Now color the mouth a little bit darker as well. Just like this. Move them a little bit down. Increase just a little bit. Okay, we can color the foot but it doesn't look good, so I didn't. Okay, we need to make the eyes, extrude it inwards, but first we need to circle it or make it a little bit smoother. Extrude it inward, just like this. We increase some area for better view. Now give it an emotion, just like angry look, just like in the picture. Tweak some areas and make it angry, like that. Now select this face right here, Ctrl plus, and now we need to increase some areas like there. Color them brown as well. We'll color them white later when we finish setting up. Okay, this looks good. Now color this white. Now moving vertices and edges is a lot helpful when we need to make the emotion for our character. Now subdivide this as right here, move them a little bit down and join them. Now our character's head is a lot fat. Now scale them and set them 0. We can extrude this right here and move them just like there. Rotate them and increase some edges like that. Okay, this looks much better. Move them a little bit closer and move some forward, move some side, just like this. This looks much better and this is a lot better. Now select this face right here, insert it and color it black. Move them a little bit forward and scale them, but first we need to color it black. We can do some fun stuff when we make the eyes. And now place them. Now we need to hit smooth it and apply all the modifiers and tweak some edges if you want and if you see any problem. Just like there. I will shade auto smooth it and turn the normal up to like somewhere around where they look good. Just like this. This is much better. Now apply all modifiers. Merge vertices, all vertices. If there is any extra mesh, so it is deleted. Now we need to add the armature. Duplicate the first one and create the parent of it. Clear them just like this. And now we need to tweak some bones and place them correctly where they should be. Move them a little bit up and place them correctly where they should be. Now first place the backbone and now place the arm correctly. Fingers will do the later on, but we can do it later, just like there. Now I set up the whole bone system and now select the mesh and then select the armature. Control P parent. Now extrude the leg part where the legs start and deselect everything else. Extrude them inward just for better result if we see any bone movement problem. Now we check the bone for if they work properly. Then we can pose it wherever you like. I will pose it like there, and we can pause it anywhere and anything like that. Okay, this was the tutorial for our second type of character, part 3. Part 2, type second character monster, part 2. Okay, this was the tutorial, and thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, like this video, and follow me any other social media platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.